We had a few showers and a few rumbles of thunder this morning. A lot of rain, though, during the overnight hours last night. I'll get to that here in a second. But the good news is our rain threat for the evening is really confined along a boundary to our south near St. Louis, up towards Peoria, Bloomington, Normal, and down towards Springfield. For us, very scattered showers and storms remain possible through the evening, but the overall trend is for this activity to continue staying off towards the south and the southeast of the Rockford area. Now, again, it doesn't mean we won't see any rain, but our chances are continuing to dwindle. Our Mercy Hill Skycam Weather Network, this is over on Rockford's east side. It still shows the clouds out there, and yes, we do have the cloudy skies. That's going to hold true through the evening into tonight. Now, you can see we did have a few very quick-moving showers earlier down towards the south in Lee, Ogle, and DeKalb counties. But now take a look at the radar. There's really not much going on, and I do think that trend will hold true for much of the evening into tonight. Now, of course, last night we had several locations report 2 to 3 inches, if not more, of rainfall. Now, some of that fell in 1 to 3 hours, so we did have some isolated flooding concerns. And with the saturated soils, any rain we do get this evening, albeit very isolated, will just aggravate the soil and cause any slight potential for flash flooding. And as a result, the National Weather Service does continue to place DeKalb, Ogle, Lee, Winnebago, Boone, and McHenry counties in a flash flood watch. That's until midnight. That's just simply because any rain we get, again, will aggravate the already saturated soils. Now, the problem here with the rain and the showers and clouds that we have around is that's going to really make the meteor viewing tonight very poor here in northern Illinois and southern Wisconsin. You've got to go well off towards the north and west before you get any good or fair viewing. For us here, I really don't think we'll have any luck seeing that because we simply have way too much cloud cover. And then, of course, the rain, that'll lower those chances even more than that. 80 in Rockford, 82 Janesville, 80 in Sterling. So right about average for this time of the year. The clouds and the rainfall really holding the temperatures down compared to what we thought they could get up to. Dew point 73 Rockford, 75 Sterling, low to mid 70s, so it feels very muggy out there. It's very moist. The moisture is definitely there, so any rain we do get could have the potential to be quite heavy. I am going to leave the weather risk at moderate through the evening with temperatures in the middle 70s, simply because there might be a pop-up shower or heavier shower as we head through the evening, but this moderate weather risk will fall to low once we get to about midnight as the rain chances definitely look to drop off significantly. So low pressure is developing overhead as I speak. It's 7 o'clock on Futurecast here, but look off towards the south and southeast of that area of low pressure. That is where the confined rainfall is expected to be according to Futurecast. And looking at the current radar, as I showed earlier, that is exactly where that rainfall is. The front moves its way on through. By tomorrow morning, we're turning the winds towards the north and northwest, so drier air. Less cloud cover by later tomorrow, and then Sunday looks mainly sunny as of now with high pressure building in from the west. So for tonight, a chance of rain and storms early, mainly before midnight, 67 degrees. It'll start to feel a little less muggy as we get to late tonight and into tomorrow morning. More clouds and sun tomorrow, but it'll feel a little better, 84 degrees. And then the good news is Sunday, Monday, and really Tuesday look mainly dry. Wednesday, we have a slight chance of showers, and that continues Thursday and Friday. So no really big systems to contend with in the next week.
And it's going to dry out tonight.
Exactly. We need it with all the rain we've had since late July.
Did get a lot overnight.
Yeah, for sure. All right. Thanks, Tyler.
Thanks, Tyler.